While rolling out more technologies designed with future-proofing in mind, SEALSQ commenced the deployment of its GSMA-accredited EUICC technology with telecommunications operators worldwide. This technology is now equipped to integrate post-quantum cryptographic security, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of secure mobile and IoT communications. The company's GSMA-accredited EUICC technology provides next-generation security that defends against current and future cyber threats, including those posed by quantum computing. This innovation enables mobile phones, IoT devices, and connected infrastructure to benefit from robust encryption that future-proofs mobile communications, financial transactions, and authentication processes. SEALSQ's solution is built around its GSMA Root CI-accredited Root Certificate Authority, hosted in Switzerland to ensure digital sovereignty through the nation's legacy of trust, neutrality, and stringent data privacy. This Swiss root of trust ensures maximum trust and interoperability across the global mobile ecosystem, supporting secure identification and authentication of ESIMs and subscription management entities within the GSMA remote provisioning framework. The deployment of SEALSQ's post-quantum-ready EUICC technology is expected to have a significant impact on various industries, including smart cities and Industry 4.0. In smart city deployments, the technology ensures end-to-end trust, data integrity, and resilience, even as cyber threats evolve. For industrial IoT applications, the technology offers secure, seamless connectivity for sensors, machinery, and automated systems across sectors such as manufacturing, logistics, and agriculture. SEALSQ has also become an investor and shareholder in WISat Space, a pioneering satellite company developing a constellation of low-orbit satellites for secure IoT connectivity. Through this partnership, SEALSQ enables telcos to access the WISat satellite constellation, extending post-quantum-ready services from Earth to space and providing resilient, globally accessible infrastructure for mission-critical IoT, remote environments, and underserved regions. According to Carlos Moreira, CEO of SEALSQ, the company's post-quantum-ready EUICC technology is a major step forward in securing mobile and IoT communications. Moreira stated that the technology enables a new era of trusted, scalable, and future-proof connectivity, meeting today's security needs and preparing for future quantum threats. To keep fueling advancements, SEALSQ increased its quantum investment fund from $20 million to over $35 million. The quantum fund is strategically deployed to ensure its cybersecurity technology stack is fully quantum resilient, integrating key components such as quantum-resistant cryptography, custom-designed quantum-ready semiconductors, secure satellite communication infrastructure, blockchain-enabled digital identity solutions, and AI-enhanced hardware security modules. As a result, significant investments are going to companies in projects like Quantix Edge, a $12 million investment to co-develop a post-quantum semiconductor center in Murcia, Spain, which will design and manufacture post-quantum and quantum-enhanced chips. Along with Weekend Group in Switzerland, a $3.5 million investment for a 28% stake, integrating post-quantum digital identity and KYC capabilities into financial services. Then in France, there's investment into IC Alps, an acquisition worth approximately $14.7 million, giving SEALSQ full control over custom silicon development and enabling quantum-ready secure elements and chips. Also in France, Colibri TD gets an initial investment of $100,000 in a quantum cryptography startup. Finally, WISat Space mentioned earlier is a $10 million investment to deploy post-quantum secured communication satellites. All these investments are part of SEALSQ's strategy to build a vertically integrated platform that ensures hardware and software alignment to resist quantum attacks, secure satellite and terrestrial system communication with post-quantum encryption, and authenticate identities and credentials using PQC-enabled digital certificates. The company's financial position is robust, with a cash reserve of over $120 million as of June 30, 2025. This strong financial foundation enables SEALSQ to scale its investments and drive commercialization in the second half of 2025 and beyond. SEALSQ's growth strategy expects revenue growth of 45 to 82% in 2025, driven by the integration of chip revenue from new sources, expansion in chip personalization services, and consolidated revenue from planned investments. While their new business pipeline seeks continued growth, with $145 million of revenue opportunities with current and prospective clients for the period 2026 to 2028. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.